Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you guys a really quick clean with me video. I haven't done one of these in a while because it is a lot of work. I don't know how you other YouTubers do this, but props to you guys because it's a lot of work. It's just faster to just clean it and get it done. But I really enjoy watching these types of videos, so I hope you do as well. So let me go ahead and get started. I'm gonna show you guys my little entryway, and I've already decorated for Easter too, so I wanted to show you guys that as well. Okay, so as you can see, the overview of my house or my living area and my foyer is not that bad. It's really not. I kind of picked up pretty good last night, but I do need to, like, you know, wipe everything down, dust, vacuum, sweep, mop. So, but really quick, I wanted to show you guys these really cute spray bottles that I got from Target Dollar Spot. They're so cute. So I got these from the Target Dollar Spot and they're super cute. They're so pretty and they were only $1. And they didn't come with, this is a label, stick-on label that also was from the Target Dollar Spot that I stuck on. And this one just says all-purpose cleaner. So I really like that one. And then this is my other favorite one. This one just says, wash your worries away. And it has the same like coral, really pretty color. So it's my window cleaner because it is blue. And then this is, I believe, Mrs. Meyer's, I think, all-purpose cleaner. But yeah, so already been to your Target Dollar Spot, definitely check these out. So today I got my little helper with me. She loves cleaning with me. And as you can see, I got my Easter stuff out already. I know we're still at the end of February, but that's just kind of how I roll. After one holiday is over, I kind of go ahead and start decorating for the next one. Let me know when you guys start decorating, like, officially for Easter, because I know it's probably super early, but I just think it's so cute. You guys ever done this? Try to unwind a cord. I ended up just giving up and stuffing it into the drawer.
So fragile, like it was built to break.
So I'm in the middle of trying to find some new spring throw pillows for my couch, and I haven't been able to find any. I've been to Walmart, Target, Home Goods. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any suggestions.
But I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. 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 Let's slow down. I wanna live right now. I'm not worried, thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need from you. It's all I believe in. I know you feel it too. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
So this is my current centerpiece, but I did order some pink tulips on Amazon, so I'm so excited for those to come in.
I'll be holding you. Cigarette ash, it looks like snow when it falls in the wind, you know. And you, oh you say you wanna dance. You're worried, you know, you'll end up in the wrong hands. And you're having fun. Why don't you show your friends? And you're having fun. What if it never ends? I'm lacking sincerity, but you don't care at all. This booze, this cigarette's trying to take me home. Falling in love just a million times, breaking it off with the feeling on ice still. She's as cold as December.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.